So in today's video, we'll be talking about the main source of protein in livestock feed. 1. We have soybean meal. They are high quality protein source commonly used in poultry and swine feed. 2. We have the fish meal. They are high protein feed ingredient often used in agriculture and poultry feed. 3. Corn gluten meal. They are the byproduct of corn processing used as protein source in feed. 4. Meat and bone meal. They are animal byproduct used as protein source in feed. 5. Cotton seed meal. They are protein-rich feed ingredient commonly used in ruminant feed. 6. Peas and beans. They are legume used as protein source in feed, particularly for poultry and swine. 7. Whey. That is, they are dairy byproduct used as protein source in feed, especially for young animal. 8. Canola meal. They are protein-rich feed ingredient used in feed for poultry, swine, and ruminant animal. So those are the main sources of protein in livestock feed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe. See you in my next video.